Hey guys, welcome back to another very interesting video of our channel Versatile Knowledge, and in this video we will be doing the first look unboxing and our review of the Realme's 10,000 mAh fast charging power bank. As you guys can see, this is the box package of the Realme's 10,000 mAh power bank, and the one that I have purchased is green color and it is available for 1,299 rupees from Amazon. It supports quick charging, it supports dual charging, that is charging of the power bank and charging of the device at once. As you can see, the price has been mentioned as 1,700 rupees, but it is available for 1,300 rupees. As you guys can see, the features of this Realme 10,000 mAh power bank has been mentioned on the box. It says that it supports up to 18 watt of fast charging for smartphones. It has 18 watt of fast charging for laptops. It has input and output of two-way quick charge. That means you can charge two devices, one using the normal USB and one using USB Type-C. It has 12 layers of circuit protection. That means if you're charging this power bank and charging another device using this power bank, there is no chances of battery leakage, or there is no chances of bursting or something else. And it has high density lithium polymer batteries, and the maximum power output of both the ports that is present on this power bank is 18 watt. The USB Type-C is 18 watt and also the normal USB is 18 watt. But when you combine the devices or charge two different devices at one instance, the charging will not be at 18 watt. So now let's go ahead and open the seal of this box and let's get to the power bank itself. As you guys can see, this is the gray colored power bank which has large Realme branding that is present on the front surface. Let's pull over this tag and we'll take a look at the power bank itself. So it is a very compact in size, guys. As you can see, it is really compact in size, and there is this documentation and warranty information guide that is present on the top, which is basically a user manual which helps you to read and know about this product, which is not necessary. And we have this USB Type-C cable which is really bad in quality. I suggest you to use your own smartphone's USB Type-C cable for this purposes, as most recent smartphones USB Type-C cable supports fast charging as well. As you guys can see, this is the Realme's 10,000 mAh power bank. It is really compact in size. It is just 12.5 mm in thickness and the weight of this is just 231 grams. So it is as compact as a smartphone you guys can just imagine. And it is actually really good to feel in the hand, guys. It feels really fashionable and it makes a style statement if you're holding this in any public places. So now let's go ahead and check out what are the ports that is present on this power bank, which is the most important thing. As you guys can see, we have a normal sized USB port, that is the USB Type A port, the USB Type-C port, and we also have the indicator LEDs, and we have the power button that is present at one end of this power bank. The power button is actually really tactile and clicky, and also the indicator LEDs are really bright, so that you will get to know how much battery is present in this power bank as well. So USB Type-C port and also the normal size USB port supports fast charging. As you guys can see, this is how it looks when the full battery on this power bank is present. So now let's go ahead and just plug in the cable onto this power bank and plug the cable to our smartphones and check whether this actually supports fast charging and how does it charge. And as I said earlier, this power bank supports two-way fast charging. That means while you are charging your smartphone using this power bank, you can also charge the power bank at the full capacity. That means you can charge a battery of a smartphone at 9 volt 2 ampere and charge this power bank at 5 volt 2 ampere. I tried connecting this power bank to a Redmi K20 Pro smartphone and the power output was not exactly 18 watt. Although the charging was supported, but it was not happening at full 18 watt. And Redmi K20 Pro supported 27 watt of fast charging, but this power bank was actually charging at somewhere around 14 to 15 watt. And also I connected this power bank to a OnePlus 6 and also a OnePlus 7 smartphone, but I found out that both of those smartphones were charging at normal speeds and not high quality or high speeds. One thing that I have observed with the OnePlus smartphones and other chargers is that when you connect other chargers or other power banks such as Realme power bank or any other normal power bank to OnePlus devices, the charge output will not be exactly full high potential. The OnePlus devices actually come with warp charging, which has the fast charging such as 30 watt or 25 watt. Only those chargers will actually support the full high speeds. Apart from that, if you use other devices charger, OnePlus devices do not charge at high speeds. This is what I have observed with my OnePlus devices, and similar things goes well with this Realme power bank as well. The power bank is doing the job of charging this OnePlus smartphone, but it is not charging at high speeds. And another feature of this Realme power bank is that it not only helps to charge smartphones and electric devices like laptops and video game consoles, but it also has something called low current mode, which is specifically designed to charge your wearable devices such as smart watches or fitness and activity trackers with ultimate convenience. So this is a really good feature that is present inside this Realme power bank. And another feature of this Realme power bank is that it has support to charge your laptops as well at 18 watt fast charging speeds. So to test this, I do not have any Windows laptops which has the USB Type-C based charging, but I do have a MacBook Pro which has USB Type-C based charging. So what I did is I just connected the provided USB Type-C cable to the MacBook Pro's Thunderbolt 3 port, and using the cable that was provided by the power bank by Realme, the MacBook Pro actually did not charge. And then I went ahead and used the MacBook Pro's adapter cable, that is the USB Type-C to Type-C cable, and then I connected the USB Type-C one end to the power bank, and I connected another end to my MacBook Pro, and then I got this laptop charging. But also that charging was at very low speeds, which was not sufficient for my purposes. So I can fairly say that this laptop charging feature that is present inside this Realme power bank is like a hit and miss feature. Some Windows laptops might support this charging, but I actually saw in Techno Ruhez's video where he tried to charge his Acer Predator laptop, but this laptop was not able to charge using the power bank. And for me, in this MacBook Pro, I was not able to charge using the cable that was given by Realme, but it was able to charge by using the cable that is made by Apple itself. So there is a very niche type of audience who would be using this power bank to charge their laptops. And the actual rated capacity of this power bank is around 6000 milliamp hour. So in order to check the efficiency of the power bank, what we have to do is we have to do some math. We have to just convert the watt hour and then take percentage, which is like 6600 mAh into 5 volt, which is around 33.7. And when we convert 10,000 mAh into 3.7 volt, we get around 37. So when we divide 33.7 by 37%, then we will get around 91% efficiency. So that we can easily say that this power bank is having 91% efficiency. And also this power bank has an industry standard 12 layers of superior security protection for this power bank. It has output over voltage protection, over current protection, battery temperature protection, electromagnetic field protection, reset protection, and a lot of other battery related protection that is present for the power bank and as well as for your devices. So which will help you to protect your devices such as your power bank as well as your charging devices easily without any risks. This device is really handy and it is really compact in size. It is really lightweight, around 200 grams. You can easily carry this inside your pocket and you can just hold it in your hand just like any other smartphone. And this is a 10,000 mAh power bank which actually supports fast charging, and it is available for around the price of 1299 rupees. I actually felt that this is kind of overpriced for the 10,000 mAh capacity. You let me know your thoughts about this power bank in the comment section below. That's it for this video, guys. If you guys have liked this video, please hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more interesting videos as this one. Thank you for watching, guys.